I want you to picture something for me. So try this. Fast forward 15 years. All right, so now maybe you're late 50s or 60. I want you to try to see two different versions of yourself. Now, one version didn't change anything. You just kept coasting through life and you kept telling yourself that one day you'd get around to it, whatever that is. Your health got worse and your confidence went away, right? You're 60 now, but you feel like you're already done. Okay, now there's version 2. So this guy made a decision at 45 years old, right? You started moving your body and you started caring about how you presented yourself. You found your people and your purpose, and you stopped waiting around for permission to live the life you want. All right, so now you're 60 and you're proud. You're fit, you're still sharp, and you're confident. You walk into rooms and people notice you because you're genuinely somebody who took care of himself and stopped just coasting through life. Which one of those two guys do you want to be? Because right now, in this moment, you're making that choice. Okay, now think about this. Oh, let's say, for example, you're sitting there at, 44 years old. Do you want to know what that really means? That means that you're only about halfway through your entire life, right? That's it. Half done. Life is not over. It's only halfway. You still have just as much time ahead of you as what you've already lived. So let me ask you, what are you doing with the time you have left? So look, the day that this video will launch live on YouTube, that's the day I'll be turning 57 years old. So I am a little bit past the halfway point, but a lot of guys your age, right, around mid-40s, and I see this literally all the time, they just sort of stopped. They're not trying anymore. They're not pushing for anything really, and they've just sort of coasted right into this life that doesn't feel right. It's crazy because somewhere along the way, they told themselves a lie. The lie that it's too late. And today, I want to blow that up completely because here's the thing about getting older that nobody really wants to talk about. Society seems to have this idea that once you hit 40, you're on the way down. Like the best years are behind you and you had your shot and now it's somebody else's turn. No, that is complete garbage. And I'll tell you why. Look, your 40s and your 50s are honestly some of the most powerful years of your entire life. Think about it. You've got experience now. You know what works and you know what doesn't. You've been through enough crap that you actually know who you are. You've probably at this point have more resources and more perspective than you did 20 years ago. And the people that figure this out do incredible things in the second half of their life. Vera Wang, right? She didn't start designing wedding dresses until she was 40. Stan Lee, the guy that created Spider-Man, he didn't start blowing up until his 40s. And Samuel L. Jackson, one of the biggest movie stars on the planet, he didn't land his big break until he was in his 40s. And Sidney Frank started Grey Goose Vodka at 78 years old and sold it to Bacardi 8 years later for $2.3 billion. I think that was like the highest price ever paid for a single liquor brand. This is what's possible when you stop listening to the lie and start believing in what's still in front of you. Now, here's something else that I want to mention because it's relevant and it matters. A lot of men over 40 are struggling quietly. Studies show that men in this age group deal with low mood swings, low energy, and the feeling of being stuck. But most of these guys never talk about it and never get any help. It's almost like it's just a part of getting older, or they think that asking for help makes them weak. It doesn't. It makes you smart. Let me share something with you that some of you probably already know. My brother committed suicide when he was 18 years old. He didn't get a chance to see this part of his life or to see what his life might look like at this point. And I'm not trying to bring down the mood, but suicide rates right now are highest in men between 40 and 49. And look, the entire premise and foundation of this channel is to help prove that you're never too old and it's never too late to make a change in your life or start something new. If something is going on in your life, now is the time to reach out and get some help. BetterHelp is sponsoring today's video, and I trust them. Over 6 million people to date have gotten help through BetterHelp. This is how therapy should be, in my opinion. BetterHelp makes starting therapy easier. Just take the quiz and get matched with a licensed therapist quickly. You can communicate however you feel comfortable, whether that's phone, video, or text. And the amazing part is, you can switch therapists at any time at no additional cost if it doesn't seem like the right fit for you. I want you to click that link in the description or go to betterhelp.com/fashion and get 10% off your first month of therapy. If you're struggling with anything and need to get some things off your chest, I encourage you to give BetterHelp a try, because at this point right now, you just don't know how much it can really help you until you try. The link is in the description and also pinned in the comments. Thank you, BetterHelp, for supporting my channel and for sponsoring this video. Okay, let me talk some real numbers for a second, right? So if you're 44 right now, you've got roughly 40 more years left. 40 years. Let that sink in for a second. Because half of your life, okay, up until this point, you were still a kid and you had to do what your parents said. But from here on out, you can do whatever you want. The next 40 years are yours to do whatever you want with. Just think about what you could do in 40 years if you really decided to. So maybe you're the guy who starts going to the gym at 45 and you're in the best shape of your life at 55. You still have 10 years to make that happen. And now you're gonna look better and feel better for 20 years after that. Maybe you're the guy who goes back to school at 48, gets a degree at 52, and then spends the next 2 decades doing the work that you actually love doing. You didn't miss out, you just took a different path. Maybe you're the guy who finally starts dressing better and starts taking care of himself and builds some real confidence, and then all of a sudden, your whole life is different. That can start today. The only version of too late that actually exists is the one that you choose. Nobody's coming to give you permission. Nobody's coming to hand you a second chance. You just have to decide. And the cool thing is, that decision is available to you right now. Giving up doesn't always look the way that you think it does. It sort of creeps up on you. But here's what it can look like. It can look like wearing the same clothes you bought 10 years ago and not thinking twice about it. It looks like skipping the gym for a year and then saying to yourself that you'll get back to it next week. It looks like your social life getting smaller and telling yourself that you're just a homebody now. It also looks like not caring about how you look when you go out. And look, the thing is, this is right where this channel lives and has lived for the last 10 years. And I truly believe this. The way that you show up on the outside is a reflection of how you feel about yourself on the inside. Because when you stop caring about the way you look, you're basically announcing to the whole world that you've checked out. I've seen it happen, man. Guys who just let themselves go and then get a wake-up call. It happened to me because I got that wake-up call. So maybe they see themselves in a photo, or maybe somebody makes a comment, like whatever it is, and then they go like, wait, what the heck? Like, where'd this big gut come from? So there's basically 4 areas where guys let things slide. Number 1, your body. You don't need to have the body of a 25-year-old, right? That's not really the goal. The goal is to be the strongest, healthiest version of the age you actually are. That might mean starting to walk every day. It might mean getting back into the gym. It might mean cleaning up your diet, because if the snacks and the ice cream aren't in your house, you're probably not going to eat it. But whatever it is, start somewhere, because when your body starts running better, everything gets better. Number 2 is your look. Update one thing this week, just one. So maybe it's new shoes, or maybe it's a shirt that actually fits right. A better haircut. And maybe cleaning up your grooming routine. Like stuff like this, it all adds up. You don't need to overhaul your entire wardrobe in just a weekend. You're just making one small investment in presenting yourself better. Number 3 is your mindset. Try to get yourself around people that are still hungry and still growing, because ambition is contagious. So is giving up. So if your friend circle has sort of given up and checked out, it's gonna rub off on you whether you like it or not. You need people in your life that are still pushing and who still believe that the best stuff is still ahead of them. It's about feeding your mind the right stuff. And number 4 is your purpose. I want you to think about something that you always wanted to do, but something that you told yourself it was too late for, right? Maybe it was a business idea. Maybe it was getting in shape. Maybe it was learning a new language. Write that down and then cross out the part in your head that says too late, because it's not. It's really not. I literally made this channel for guys like you, right? Men over 40 who still have that fire inside, but just need a little something to remind them that it's still there. I'm telling you, you're not done. You didn't miss your shot, and you're not too old. You're only about halfway through, and the second half is yours to do with however you want. The only question is, what are you going to do with the time you have left? And really quick before you take off, if you made it this far in the video, you are one of the true legends. So hit that like button to let me know that you made it. Thank you for watching, live well, and I hope to see you in the next one.